Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Sunday evening here, October 31st, so hope everyone had a nice Halloween. This is just the weekly update on the TFSA portfolio with Wealthsimple Trade. We just finished week 30 already. It's crazy how fast time's gone, but yeah, it's been 30 weeks that we've had the portfolio and the pretty close to the same amount of time that I've had the channel, so hope everyone's doing well and is enjoying the content. Hit the like button and subscribe if you do, because it helps us out. Yeah, so this past week was pretty flat. We were down $559. Most of that is because we had some of the funds go ex-dividend, so they're trading a little bit lower over the past few days because the dividend payment is coming up. And even on Friday was almost completely flat. It was only $1 down, $1.08 down. For the last month, we're up $2,697 or 3%. Last 3 months, it was up $3,380 or 4%. And then for the last year, we're up $8,346.93 or about 11%. So yeah, this past week, we didn't have any dividends come in. They mostly all come in at the beginning to the middle of the month. So the end of the month is a little more boring for us, but it is what it is. So you can see we finished October off $483.39 of dividend payments. The average yield on the portfolio is sitting at 7.91%. So coming up in November this week, I'll have 5 payments coming in from the 5 BMO covered call ETFs that I have. That's going to be like just over $200, I think, of payments that'll come in this week, and then the rest of them will come in over the next the week after that, I guess. So we'll go through the positions real quick. DFN is up at $101. That's I'm over 1,000 shares now, so that's going to be a $100 dividend payment, or 101, I guess. What else is doing really good? EIT is up 360. HHL, the healthcare fund, is up $505 or 6.5%. Smart Centers is recovered quite a bit too. They're up $632 or 11%. Smart Centers has still got a bit of room to get back to where it was pre-COVID, but it's getting pretty close. So it's trucking along there. TXF is up 1,051 or 14.7%, and then all the Bank of Montreal covered calls are all doing really well, other than a couple down at the bottom are a little bit flat. But ZWC is up 530 or 7%. ZWE is up 288 or 3.79%. ZWK is up $1,520 or 13.25%. ZWS is up 429 or 5.69%. And then ZWU is the one that's kind of hasn't done too much. It's up $69, just less than 1%. So it took a huge spike there after COVID, and it's kind of been recovered a bit, but it's still been pretty flat. So it's got a lot of room to grow, to get back to those pre-COVID levels. So hopefully that's gonna happen going forward. Yeah, so that's just a quick week update. Like I said, there was no dividends that were paid last week, so it's kind of boring, but also boring is nice sometimes when it's not super volatile, because just slow and steady is the way we like it. So hope everyone's doing well, and like I said before, yeah, please subscribe and hit the bell and thumbs up and all that stuff, and we'll be back again in another week with November's first update, November 2021. So take care, everyone, and yeah, have a good week. Thanks. Bye.